rolling.
Gotcha.
There you go. Welcome to another cigar unboxing video. We have visitors. Happy Thanksgiving. Today we have Montecristo, crafted by AJ Fernandez. Anything with AJ Fernandez's name on it, you know it's going to be good. He's a master blender. These are Churchill's. Let's crack it open. See what it tastes like. Hey Ozzy, you want some? Yeah. Got these the other day. Let's cut this wrappage. Oh, here you go. Look at that. Beautiful. AJ Fernandez. Is it 10? Yeah, box of 10. All right, let's crack one open. See what a cutter here. Yeah, this is like basically bling, right? Wrapping. I don't care much for it. Just throw it away. All right, so let's cut this open and light it up. Initial hit, smooth, very smooth. It's a little bit of pepper. Got my nephew here, Mackay. You want to try some?
Don't mind if I do.
All right. What's the word?
I'm gonna have to agree with what you said about the smoothness.
Yeah.
I'm liking that, and I feel that pepper too.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, that concludes today's cigar unboxing video. Keep smoking until next time.